The kit supplied part for the central dome antenna for the K7 space station is a solid styrene piece, so I need to figure out how to get this opened up to let a fiber optic through. So I looked at what we had and realized I could remove this central piece and keep the base on the top and use some 3/32 brass rod as a pass-through. So it took a little bit of work. I got to cut off each individual piece, Here's the lower piece, the base. Bring that down, sand it down so I can have a proper surface. Took a look at that, pretty good. Now the base has a little mark in it that I can use for center, essentially as a center hole, and drill a 1 millimeter hole through, ream it out, make sure it's good, and yeah, that's a good shape. Mark out the brass rod so I can cut that to the appropriate length with the Dremel and give that a little bit of grinding to get rid of any burrs, clean it out. We don't want the fiber optic to catch anything. This is a bigger drill bit just so I can recess it a bit in order to place the hollow tube. Looks good, reasonably centered. Gonna add some crazy glue to hold it in place. Yeah, we did all right. Same procedure for the upper top, the ball at the top. Cut it off, sand it, drill it, get it as close to center as possible. I did better than I expected for my first try. Same as before. Drill a little bit so I can allow the hollow rod to go in. Check it out, glue it together, and then do a fit. And the fiber optic goes through just like I wanted. And let's see if we can get that straightened up a little bit. And there's the end result. We've got a blinky light on the top.